Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which Aeschylean play is part of the Danaan trilogy but survives only in fragments? A. The Suppliants, B. The Egyptians, C. The Danaids, D. The Deliverers. The right answer is option B. The Egyptians. Next question. Sophocles, a Canute, tracker, belongs to which dramatic genre? A. Satyr play, B. Tragedy, C. Comedy, D. Dithyrambic drama. The right answer is option A. Satyr play. Next question. In Euripides, Andromache, who shelters Andromache from Menelaus' aggression? A. Peleus, B. Neoptolemus, C. Phoenix, D. Orestes. The right answer is option A. Peleus. Next question. The chorus of Aristophanes, Acharnians represents which group? A. Farmers of Attica, B. Veterans of Salamis, C. Charcoal burners, D. Citizens of Argos. The right answer is option C. Charcoal burners. Next question. In Aeschylus, Prometheus bound, which Titan attempts to comfort Prometheus? A. Atlas, B. Oceanus, C. Hyperion, D. Coeus. The right answer is option B. Oceanus. Next question. The Sophoclean play Tereus is known primarily through which later source? A. Apollodorus, B. Hyginus, C. Ovid, D. Pausanias. The right answer is option C. Ovid. Next question. Euripides, suppliant women focuses on which Argive leader as mediator? A. Diomedes, B. Adrastus, C. Amphiaraus, D. Tydeus. The right answer is option B. Adrastus. Next question. Aristophanes, Naiads attacks Cleon through the character of which figure? A. The sausage seller, B. Paphlagon, C. Demosthenes, D. Nicias. The right answer is option A. The sausage seller. Next question. Aeschylus, Phrygians deals with whose lament after the fall of Troy? A. Hecuba, B. Priam, C. Paris, D. Cassandra. The right answer is option A. Hecuba. Next question. In Sophocles, Trachiniae, Deianira's fateful substance comes from which creature? A. Chimera, B. Nemean lion, C. Nessus the centaur, D. Hydra. The right answer is option C. Nessus the centaur. Next question. Euripides, Helen uses what narrative device to contradict Homer's account? A. Twin deception, B. Double presence illusion, C. Phantom Helen motif, D. Time alteration. The right answer is option C. Phantom Helen motif. Next question. Aristophanes, Assemblywomen features what radical social proposal? A. Abolition of warfare, B. Redistribution of land, C. Communal sharing of women and property, D. Election of generals by children. The right answer is option C. Communal sharing of women and property. Next question. The Aeschylean play Myrmidons depicts Achilles' grief over whom? A. Briseis, B. Patroclus, C. Antilochus, D. Ajax. The right answer is option B. Patroclus. Next question. In Sophocles, Antigone, the guard uses what tone in describing the burial of Polynices? A. Solemn, B. Comic, C. Irate, D. Boastful. The right answer is option B. Comic. Next question. Euripides, Trojan women opens with a dialogue between which two deities? A. Apollo and Artemis, B. Zeus and Hermes, C. Poseidon and Athena, D. Hera and Aphrodite. The right answer is option C. Poseidon and Athena. Next question. Which Aristophanic play makes fun of Euripides' obsession with ragged costumes? A. Wasps, B. Frogs, C. Thesmophoriaceae, D. Clouds. The right answer is option C. Thesmophoriaceae. Next question. Aeschylus, Persians is unique because it dramatizes what unusual feature? A. A mythic war, B. A purely Greek victory, C. A historical event contemporary to the playwright, D. A battle fought by gods. The right answer is option C. A historical event contemporary to the playwright. Next question. Euripides, Ion portrays the founding ancestry of which city? A. Athens, B. Corinth, C. Thebes, D. Sparta. The right answer is option A. Athens. Next question. Aristophanes, birds uses what dramatic innovation? A. Dual chorus, B. A paradox without music, C. A chorus of animals, D. A leaderless chorus. The right answer is option C. A chorus of animals. Next question. In Aeschylus, 7 against Thebes, who curses Oedipus' sons? A. Hera, B. Tiresias, C. Oedipus himself, D. Ismene. The right answer is option C. Oedipus himself. Next question. Which Sophoclean drama dramatizes the myth of the inventor's son who flew too close to the sun? A. Daedalus, B. Icarus, C. Minos, D. Skyburner. The right answer is option B. Icarus. Next question. Euripides, Phoenician women differs from Aeschylus in what major way? A. Absence of prophecy, B. Survival of Eteocles, C. Inclusion of Jocasta as mediator, D. Setting outside Thebes. The right answer is option C. Inclusion of Jocasta as mediator. Question for you. Which Aristophanic play is the earliest surviving complete comedy? A. Acharnians, B. Knights, C. Wasps, D. Peace. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.